Disconnect all power from the refrigerator. Locate the water supply valve and turn to the off position. Locate the blue water valve clip and remove the clip off the water valve connector. Next, remove the tubing from the water valve connector. Remove the vent cover backing by removing the Phillips head screws and set aside. Locate the condenser fan assembly. Unplug the wire connector from the condenser fan assembly. Remove the Phillips screws that secure the condenser fan assembly to the refrigerator. Remove the foam sleeve from the refrigerant line and carefully move the line downward to create space. Then remove the drain tube. With the flathead screwdriver, disengage the bottom clip at the base of the condenser fan assembly. Push assembly forward at an angle and lift bottom end of assembly upward. Then remove. Install the new assembly at an angle as shown. Then make sure the base of the assembly slides into the grooves and locks in. Reinstall the drain tube, then reconnect the wire harness connector of the assembly. Carefully insert the foam sleeve on the refrigerator line. Install and tighten the Phillips screw that secures the condenser fan assembly to the refrigerator. Install the vent cover backing by hand tightening the screws to hold it in place. Then tighten the screws down. Insert the water tube back into the water valve. Lock tubing into place by using the blue water valve clip. Turn water supply valve to the on position. Reconnect all power to the refrigerator.